Your body makes many sounds, but none is as strange as the sharp pop when you crack your knuckles. People think it's bones rubbing or joints snapping or cartilage breaking. But the truth is far stranger. Inside your joints is a thick, slippery fluid called synovial fluid, a liquid that keeps your bones from grinding together. But when you stretch your fingers, you create a sudden vacuum inside the joint. A pressure drop so fast that gas trapped in the fluid explodes into a bubble. And that bubble collapses in milliseconds. That collapse is the sound, a microscopic implosion inside your own hand. Not bones cracking, not cartilage tearing, a violent chemical bubble bursting inside your joint. But here's the dark part. Once the bubble pops, your joint needs time to rebuild enough pressure to do it again. That's why you can't crack the same knuckle immediately, and no knuckle cracking doesn't cause arthritis. But scientists found something creepy. People who crack their knuckles often have looser joints, meaning their fingers can bend in unnatural ways. The same trait seen in predators that rely on flexibility for gripping prey. Your hands evolved for climbing, gripping, and fighting. Knuckle cracking is just an ancient pressure system reactivating inside you. A tiny explosion hidden in every joint. The sound isn't dangerous, but it's a reminder. Your body still carries the strange mechanical secrets of the creatures that came before you.